Korea. Part 2 begins. I am so excited. Wow, the Korean sky is pink. So beautiful. Goodbye, airport. Hello, Seoul. I cannot wait. Seoul at night. Neon lights everywhere. Amazing. My hotel, right in the middle of Seoul. My room, and look at that Seoul view. Seoul. Myeongdong Street, so many lights and food. Tteokbok, spicy Korean rice cakes. I love it. Spicy, so spicy, but so delicious. I am walking and eating. So much fun here. Hot tux. It's so warm and yummy. And Seoul Tower. I want to go up there. Cable car. Seoul looks tiny from up here. And Seoul Tower. I am here. What a view. Love locks. So many hearts of love. Good night, Seoul. Tomorrow is more adventure. Good morning, Seoul. Day 2 begins today. GYEONGBOKGUNG Palace. So grand and colorful. Royal guards. Like a real history movie. I am wearing hanbok. I feel like a princess. A lotus pond with a royal pavilion. Peaceful. Bukchon Village. Old Korean houses everywhere. Old Korea and New Korea. Both so beautiful. Korean green tea. So warm and calming. Insadong. Traditional art and crafts everywhere. Day 2 ending. My feet are tired but happy. HONGDAE, the Kpop and youth area. Ready! Kpop dance, amazing choreography. Korean photo booth, cute pink stickers. Cat cafe, so soft and fluffy, so cute. Strawberry bingsu, a snow mountain of sweet. K-pop shop, I am a super fan. Colorful street art, HONGDAE is so artistic.
이 거리에서 네 목소리를 듣고 싶어.
Beautiful Korean song. So emotional.
기억 속에 영원히 간직할게.
Korean barbecue, sizzling meat, so delicious. Rainbow fountain on the bridge, so magical. Chicken and ramen at the river, Perfect. Gangnam, the Beverly Hills of Seoul. K-beauty, Korean skincare is the best. Cup ramyeon at midnight, so Korean. So romantic, like a real K-drama scene. Good night, Seoul. Day 3 was wonderful. KTX train to Busan, so fast and smooth. Busan! The ocean city, I smell the sea! Rainbow Village! Houses like candy colors. The Little Prince, my favorite story. Haeundae Beach, ocean and skyscrapers together. Cold seawater, Busan Ocean is chilly. A temple on the ocean, so sacred and peaceful. A peaceful moment for good wishes. Jagalji Fish Market, so fresh from the sea. Busan Seafood, spicy and fresh. Sunset train back to Seoul, so peaceful. Jeju Island, yellow flowers everywhere, amazing. Sunrise Peak, I climbed to the top. Hanyo, amazing Jeju women sea divers. Jeju black pork, so juicy and flavorful. Amazing rock cliffs, like nature's sculptures. Jeju tangerine ice cream, so sweet and fresh. Jeju bike ride, so free and beautiful. Jeju sunset, the sky is on fire, beautiful. Stars over the Jeju Sea, so peaceful. My last day in Korea, so many golden leaves. My last Korean latte, I will miss this. Writing a memory, Korea will stay with me. Goodbye, Myeongdong. You were my first love. Time to say goodbye, Korea. Thank you so much. Ready to fly. Korea in my heart forever. Goodbye, Korea. I will return one day, forever.